So this is kind of huge. We got the awning out. It was broken. I tried to fix it with duct tape and a few long nails, but it didn't work that well. And you know what? That's okay, because look, at the end of the day, this whole thing's purpose is just when the sun's down, or the sun's up and it's beating down on you, I just wanted some shade, and Agnes provided, or she will provide. I mean, it was sunny earlier, but by the time I did this, it was, you know, it's only like 40 out right now, but man, it still feels good. So anyway, here's the rig. So unfortunately, I don't know what's up with how this thing is wired. This, the converter, it doesn't seem to be wanting to run off the trailer lights. So I just have it plugged into my outlet in the truck. So I'm going from DC to AC, and then this thing making it go back into DC for the lights in here. But here's the setup. That's temporary. Eventually we will be going solar. So, but I'm just getting it ready for this season here. Yeah, this thing's loud. You're vibrating, but it's not hot or nothing. So, not the most efficient way, because I think this output's only 85%, and I don't even know what the one in the truck, how efficient that is. But yeah, so here's the setup. I got this screen door Velcro in magnety thing, and it's not as wide as it said on the box. It said 38 inch wide. It's 38 inches from the inside of that to the inside of this. But that's okay, because I'm thinking if we have it, you know, we just want some door open like at night. This screen's here, this is here, we got this. I can just close one of the doors. We'll still get plenty of airflow. So you know what, not a big deal. And then this is still pretty sweet. So this opens up and you can put this thing on it. So there you go. Oh boy. There you don't go, I suppose. But here you go. And this is this will work. So boom. So after a long day of shredding through the trails, you just park her right here, get you some shade. Oh man, I'm stoked about this. And then, you know, want to go load up the bikes when we're going? When we're leaving, there she is. So yeah, eventually I want to figure out why it's not just, maybe there's a fuse, but from my understanding, there's power going from the trailer lights, 12 volts, going into that. And then that's putting out AC for the outlets, and then DC for the lights. I really only need it for the lights, you know, just to start things off. Just to really, outlets would be just for charging a phone. We're gonna bring a cooler for ice, but so this is pretty much it for her, for Agnes, for now. Yeah, we got the lights on last time and the bed thing going. The only other thing, which I'm not even gonna film because it's kind of boring, is just go around and silicone everything, and then she's good to go. Yeah, so I have to finish that up, but I think this is gonna be we're gonna call Agnes done here. So, and then we'll figure out, because my understanding is that should just be 12 volts coming into it, and then I should at least be having 12 volts for these lights. Are all 12 volts. This one, that one, and that one, and all these lights are already on 12. So I'm not really sure. It should just be going off my battery, so that way at least it just has to charge, and it's just lights, and they're all LED except for this one and that one. But if I convert, or if I switch those out for LEDs, then they should be really not much draw. And then when I do that, I can add these. These are just LED, white LED strips. But didn't notice how loud that thing was until now. But it is pretty old. So I'm gonna just check the fuses, because I can't understand why it won't just be 12 volt coming in, and then it's got a button there. It says 12 volts. It says conventional. So I don't know, I'll have to check. But yeah, so there's the walk around. Got the screen door on. We got this awning out. And you know, at least while we're getting ready for bed while we're camping, we can have lights. And then I just have to shut the truck off. But eventually this will have its own, I think, 2 deep cycle marine batteries with a solar panel on top, then into the solar controller, and then into the converter, inverter, and all that good stuff. But for now, this summer might just be nice and simple. We'll see. All right, we saw her ripping earlier. Fix that, projects are going. Marley's chilling. Zora's hunting. Come here. Yeah. All right. Well, from the dogs and I, good night. And from Agnes and the new Ripper, what should we call her? Kill a Bee, dude. That's what I want to call her. I mean, we already got Beth back there, so I can't call her like Kill a Beth, but whatever. Black and yellow, Kill a Bee, ODB, DRZ. All right, that's good. All right, I thought I was done filming stuff, but then I realized, dude, we finally put the bed in here. This looks awesome. I mean, that's a queen. And yeah, plugged her in, fired her up, blew it up. I'm so excited. Look at that. Dude, I might sleep out here tonight, man. All right. For real. Peace out.